So just like so. Hello and welcome back to Steph le Chef. Today au menu, profiterole filled with vanilla ice cream and topped with a lovely chocolate sauce. So let's do this. So to make our profiterole, we're gonna make our choux pastry first. We need some water, butter, sifted flour, free-range eggs, and a little salt. Okay, that's all we need. So first of all, we're gonna put our water on a pan on the stove. We're gonna add our butter. I'm gonna cut it like that, it will go quicker. We're gonna bring this to the boil. Right, nearly there. I'm just gonna add my salt into this. And the idea is to put the flour at once that's dissolved. Is it dissolved? Yes, it is. So here comes the flour, here goes the flour at once. There you go. And now we start whisking our mix. Put the temperature down. You don't want it to boil, that's it. So now you whisk. Now the idea at that point is to get rid of all the humidity in that mix. And for that you need to work it on the stove. Here we are, we're there. Yeah. So like I say, I'm trying to get rid of all the humidity by whisking it like that on the stove. That will do. Okay. Now we're gonna add the eggs, but one by one. Okay. I got the first one. Very important, one by one. Of course, if you want, you can use a mixer, but I prefer doing it like this. Okay. That's it. After adding the egg, that's what you should get. Goes another one. And the last egg goes in it. There you go, lovely. Should give you something like that. So now we're gonna rest it for 5 minutes and we're gonna bake them. So next we're gonna make our choux pastry balls and we're gonna bake them in the oven, 200 degrees setting. Okay, I'm gonna transfer my dough into a pastry poche, and I'm gonna lay them onto a pastry sheet. Okay. This is the fun part. That's it. I've got a bit more to get. There you go. Get our baking sheet. And we're gonna make a choux pastry. My tip is, you can see it's quite pointy, so a fork, a little water, and we crisscross on the top of the pastry. We do that to make them uniform, if you know what I mean. You will see. Once that's done, a little egg which is beaten in that bowl, and we're gonna do a little egg wash to give them a shiny look. So my choux pastry been laid. Now all I have to do is bake it for 20 minutes. Important, do not open the oven for the first 10-15 minutes, but then after that you can check for them to rise. All right, do not open the oven. So here it goes. So one thing I forgot to mention is after 20 minutes, once the choux pastry balls are risen, we need to sear them, and to do that we just increase the temperature of the oven for another 25 degrees for another 10 to 15 minutes, okay, and they should be ready. How do I know? Well, you just grab them in your hand, they're a bit hot, and you can feel that they're nice and sear, and just tap on the bottom and it doesn't feel soggy at all, nice and dry. So they are ready. Okay, there you go. Lovely profiterole. Now we're going to rest them on a wire rack for them to cool down, and we shall move on to the next stage when they're cold. So my profiteroles has been cooled down. I'm going to open them and have them ready to be filled. In the meantime, I'm going to put my hot chocolate sauce on the stove. I'm going to bring to the boil milk and cream, and to that I'm gonna add some chocolates. That doesn't take long. I already add some almond toasted, as you can see, but let's get on the next operation. So we cutting a little hat on the top of the profiterole. As you can see, there's a little bit of pastry which is not cooked, so what you do with the spoon is just get rid of that. This is normal, okay? So there you go. One. So with the spoon, get rid of the pastry which is not fully cooked. Well, now my milk and cream boiling. I'm gonna add my chocolates and I'm gonna let it melt slowly. In the meantime, I'm gonna get my ice cream out. Little bowl goes in there, like so. There you go. It's not too complicated. Beautiful. Put the hats back on. Obviously today I'm using vanilla ice cream, but by all means you can use crème pâtissière or chantilly cream. But this is the way I prefer to have it. So my chocolate sauce cooled down a little bit. We don't want it too hot. I do like it very hot with ice cream. It's a nice contrast. So just like so. Here we are. And for the finishing touch, grilled toasted almond. There you go, profiterole on Steph Le Chef. I hope you'll enjoy. Please like and subscribe, that'll be ace, and thank you for watching. Bon appétit. If you enjoyed this video and want to check out my latest one, please click here. If you want to check all my videos, please click here. And if you don't want to miss any of my videos, please subscribe and click here. That'll be ace. See you soon on Steph Le Chef.